It's kind of a drizzly Saturday this morning. It's actually about 11 a.m. and I'm here at Indian Truck Trail. I've never been out here, so it'll be a new trail to explore. Or actually, it's more of a fire road. How's it going? How was it?
How far are you gonna go up?
I'm gonna go up all the way, and then I might go up to where Holy Jim intersects Main Divide.
Yeah.
I don't think I can go beyond that because there'll just be too much snow. On the other side, about 4,700 feet, there's too much snow.
Okay.
Like beyond Four Corners, that side.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was up there yesterday.
How long does it take you to get to the Main Divide?
From here? Yeah. I've never biked this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I probably like 2+ hours at least, like 2.5. So we were talking about all the trails up to Santiago Peak and whatnot. But yeah, this is a new trail for me. I'm excited. I mean, it's hard to say that this is a trail. It's fire road, but it's gonna get pretty remote out there. And yeah, he was asking me how long I think it might take to get to Main Divide. I actually have no idea, because I haven't been out there. We'll see. I told him my rule of thumb is about per 1,000 feet of climbing, about an hour. I think that's a pretty good rule of thumb. And that works for backcountry skiing too. So if you like remote fire trails in the Santa Anas, this would be at the top of your list. This one, Eagle and Bedford, they're all kind of remote. They don't nearly have the traffic that Skyline has, right? Skyline, hundreds of people. Black Star, hundreds of people. And on Maple Springs, there's people, but you also deal with the trucks, the 4x4s going up Main Divide. Hello. How was it?
Good.
How'd you go?
Santiago Peak.
Did you guys summit? All right. How much snow?
A lot. Well, not a lot, like a 1 mile. 1 mile.
1 mile of snow. Okay. All right. We got summiters. Yeah. Santiago Peak. It's quite foggy. Can't see anything. This is at 3,000 feet, done 1,700 vertical, and it's been about 50 minutes. So maybe it's going to be about 2,000 feet vertical per hour. Starting pace. Some rock fall. Yeah, here we go. There's the section of road. Here's that section of the fire road that got washed out. A lot of rock fall here. And yeah, you kind of just walk your bike across. The whole tree came down. It's probably not a good idea to be standing here too long. Looks like some more rock fall. It's very misty. It's a little bit drizzly, in fact. I thought the rain was supposed to be over. It's like another section of trail that's falling apart. Another section to get off the bike and walk. Keep passing all these cliffs. It's clearing a little bit, but it's raining. And it looks like I go down a little bit. Poodle dog bush, more of it. Wet in my drivetrain. A big stick. Look what I found. Poodle dog. That's what it looks like. And yeah, poodle dog is native. It's an important plant for the ecosystem. Something to do with the rehabilitation of the burn zone, probably. But it's incredibly toxic. If you like poodle dog, check out my video, Biking Bell Ridge, bushwhack biking. I was biking through it. Now I know what it looks like. I think this is some kind of current, native current. And I don't know what this spiky plant is. There's the main divide. Yay! That's rad. So no snow up to this point. That's kind of what I was expecting, because I believe this is about 3,700 feet. And a couple days ago, I went up Maple Springs, and I didn't get snow until 4,700. Done about 2,500 feet of climbing, and it's taken me an hour and a half.